Hey guys, thanks for watching You Can Fix Anything. Today we're going to go over how to fix a sliding screen door. So the first step in getting the door off the rails. So what I'm doing here is there are some holes in the bottom of the sliding door, and you can just put a screwdriver in there and spin the screw that is in there. And what this screw is it's connected to some wheels that are inside the door. So as you turn it counterclockwise, it will pull those wheels up into the door, which will lower the door closer to the ground. So you need to do this for both sides of the door. Now, once you do this, you are able to lift the door up and out of the sliding frame. So this is about half of it. Once you've gotten the door out, you can lie it down and take a look at the bottom, and you will see the sliding wheels that are used to help the door slide on the rails. So these come out. You can see this one's real nasty, real old, lots of filthiness and dirt on there. And so you can just get new sliding wheels online, or you can get them from a hardware store. There are a number of different types of wheels, so it is important to make sure that you get the right one. Now here I am screwing the wheels back in. On different doors, there are different ways the screw is mounted. Sometimes there's a second screw on the outside of the door. On this one, the screw is up inside where the wheel is, so it's a little bit hard to line that screw up with the hole after you take it out. But after a few tries, was able to get the wheel to line up and the bracket to line up and put that screw in there. So once you've put it in, then what you can do is lower the wheels all the way, and you can do this by spinning the wheel counterclockwise, and that should pull the wheels as far as they're able to go back up into the door. So it's good to do that now so that when you try and put the door back on, it's able to fit in there and it won't cause you too much of a headache. So once you get one side in, obviously you got to do this for both sides. So on this other side, it's a very similar process. Just going to be unscrewing the screw again from this kind of recessed bracket. We're going to be able to pull the old wheels out, and then we're going to be able to stick the new wheels in, and you might take a few tries again to get that hole to line up, and then able to lower those wheels all the way back into the frame. Now this one, the wheels actually, when they're lowered all the way, they kind of touch the plastic on the bottom of the door, which is a little annoying, but shouldn't be problematic, because once the wheels are raised up, they no longer touch the plastic part and should just roll just fine. Now once you have both sets of wheels in, a good thing to do might be to actually just clean the track, just get all the dirt and stuff out of there. And that's a good first step anyway, even if you just want to try that before you even replace the wheels. Just getting all the dirt and filth out of the track can be very helpful in getting the door to slide smoothly. So now here I'm putting the door back in, and it was a little bit stiff. I had to use a small crowbar type item to push the door up over the lip there, and then hold the wheels up with a little screwdriver. But once I popped it in, was able to raise those wheels back up. by spinning them clockwise, and then the door is able to slide just like it was before, but this time it's able to slide a lot smoother. And it takes a little bit of tweaking how far up or how far you're raising the wheels so that you can get it to slide smoothly, and also for the latch to hook correctly when you're trying to lock the door. So you might have to have a few iterations of adjusting the different wheels to different heights. But eventually, yeah, you'll be able to get it so it just is able to slide smoothly and it all works, and the latch closes nice and easy on closure. So that's about it for replacing the wheels on the sliding door. This whole project cost about $30, about $15 each for each wheel. So thanks again for watching. Hopefully if this is helpful, like and subscribe if it was. Thanks.